Today we're going to do a simple fruit salad. So for this simple fruit salad, all you need is some mandarin oranges, raisins, pineapple chunks, and 3 to 4 Granny Smith apples. The secret ingredient is Miracle Whip. Okay, so this recipe is very, very simple. First, peel your apples. It actually tastes better if you make it the day before, so you're getting ready for a party or you've got to take something simple for a party that you have at work. This is one of the best things that you can take for that party. To keep your apples from browning while you're trying to peel them and get them together in your bowl, if you will dump your pineapple chunks in your bowl before you put your apples in, the pineapple citrus will keep it from browning. And this is just dull pineapple chunks. You want the chunks. I like pineapple juice, so I'm actually going to drain this in a cup so I can drink it later. Your pineapple chunks, you want to drain all the water off your pineapple chunks. Alright, we're going to dump these pineapples in here. It's okay if there's a little bit of juice left. Best if you peel your apples one at a time and get them cut up and get them in there with the pineapples so they don't turn brown. You could also add a dot of lemon juice if you want to, and that'll keep your apples from turning brown. Granny Smith apples do not turn quickly like other apples do. And you just want to kind of cut these in some chunks, kind of to match your pineapple. Make sure you get off any bad spots on these apples. So as we peel these and cut them, we're just going to put them in here with the pineapple and kind of mix them up. And again, that's just to keep them from turning brown. So I think I'm just going to do 3 apples. Now, if you're making this for a large crowd, you may want to double this and use 2 cans of pineapple chunks, 2 cans of mandarin oranges, and a few more apples. This is so simple. There's no cooking. It's just fresh fruit. It's good for you. Okay, we've got our apples all cut up. And again, I'm just decided that I'm going to put 3 apples instead of 4. These are just sun-dried raisins. These will come in a big pack, but I couldn't find a big pack, so I'm using the small packs. If you use the small packs, you probably want to use about 3 or 4 of them. What happens is, if you make this ahead of time or the night before, you put all these raisins in here, and then if you let it sit, the raisins soak up some of the juice and then they fluff up, and it is just amazing. We're only going to use about 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. Before we put our mandarin oranges in there, because if you try to stir the mandarin oranges up with everything else, it just kind of breaks the oranges up and it makes them be mushy in there in your salad. So you just want to kind of mix that Miracle Whip up in your fruit real good. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now that you got all that mixed together, you can add your mandarin oranges. Again, you need to drain the juice off of the oranges before adding them. And you can add your oranges. Isn't that beautiful? And don't be real rough with your oranges. Just kind of fold them in so they don't get all mushed up. I'll leave a complete list for this simple fruit salad in the description below.